You know, when I get to a spot, the only things I really need to set up are the bathroom / shower, obviously the toilet, and then I have the Starlink back here. Little look at my shower / bathroom. I originally covered it in, I believe, one of the Yellowstone videos from last season, but I'll just show you again because it's kind of changed a little bit. I have a little bathroom, little toilet in here. It's just these biodegradable bags you can get for camping. They work great. This is so nice because the nearest bathroom is probably like about, 7 or 8 minutes that way. And it just doesn't seem like it's worth it when, I don't want to get in the car and take the Starlink down, or if it's 11 o'clock at night, it's pitch black out here. I don't really feel like walking, 20 minutes to the bathroom. So I just want to go to the bathroom or take a shower. So what I do, just have this little toilet. It comes with this kind of solution, kind of like a powder. It's this Eco Gel porta potty chemicals, and you just put a little of that, about half of a little packet, into the toilet over here. And so you just take a bag, put it in there, and that's it. And then you just dispose of that every couple days. If you're in bear country, you definitely don't want to leave anything in there, and you'll want to make sure that you discard of that after each time. Now you can discard of it if it has the solution and the biodegradable bag. You can put it in regular trash, which is actually a really nice feature because it just solidifies everything, and it can be just regular waste then. All right, now as far as the shower, the difference from what I did when I was in the Yellowstone videos to this is only slightly different. The one I had before had a bucket. It was like a yellow, kind of like a cooler type thing. And you would just take water from like one of your 7-gallon, jugs, and you would just pour it in there. And then it would just sit in here. It had a little lithium-ion battery in it. You would touch the side and turn it on, and then it would pump water into the shower head, and then you'd have to push a button really hard. It was actually really hard to turn on and off, especially while your hands were wet, and then it would pump water. And that was like $175. And it worked well, but it was kind of cumbersome and didn't work great on the handle. This one is so much better. It's only like $45. You just have this head right here, and to turn it on and off, literally this is it. So right now it's in off position. To turn it on, you just do that, and the water just comes right out. And then just use your thumb, flip it right back. And of course, you can just remove it and then, use it on your body. That's it. And then of course, having like a little loofah or something like that is so much better because you just conserve water. You can just wet this, put some soap on it, and you're good to go. Over here is where I keep my like face wash, shower soap, and shampoo. Just keep that in there. And then that goes down into this. So this just goes in to, you just take this off and you just drop it right into the tank. That's all you have to do. I don't think you have to put this in a bag. I just do to protect it. It says this thing isn't waterproof. It's water resistant. So I think it's fine as long as you don't dunk it. But this, all you do is just hit this button to turn it on, and that's it. This thing does have a little filter on it that you can clean out if you ever need to. But otherwise, you just take this, just put it into whatever, water tank you have. Just send it to the bottom. Make sure there's a little air crack there. And then on here, hit the button to turn it on. You can hear it. Very silent. Almost no noise at all. And then up here, just you can see water starting to leak there, and then boom. You can see that. I mean, it works great. I don't want to use too much water, but again, turn it on, turn it off. That's it. And then when you're ready to turn it off, you can see that it's on. Hit the button, and now it's off. Then you just remove that. You can see a little water still in there. Let that drain out. And put the cap back on your water. And that's it. That's shower. And so you think, okay, well, what is the water warm or is it cold? Well, if it's in here for like all night, it's going to be a little chilly. But what I do is, like on this one, I just take it out, usually set it on a rock or something like that, and I'll just leave this out for a few hours during the day when it's sunny out like it is today. and that thing warms up to like a nice warm shower. I mean, I did it last night. It's fantastic. And so between having, the toilet right here and then having the shower whenever I need it, my only thing is I just have to fill up water maybe like once every 10 days. And of course I can use some of the water here. I can put it on the table when I'm cooking and use some of that water if I need to. It's drinkable water, and that's pretty much it. When I get to a spot, the only things I really need to set up are the bathroom / shower. Obviously the toilet, that takes like less than 5 minutes. And then I have the Starlink back here.